Hey guys, I hope you are all by the grace of Allah. As I told you before, today we have a contest April lunchtime. So this is my first Division 2 contest in CodeChef. Luckily, I have solved two problems. Now I'm gonna explain about them. So let's jump into it. At first, I go to the first problem. The name of the first problem is Thief in Heaven. So I'm not gonna reading about the whole passage here. So I'm gonna explain it as simple as that. So suppose according to the question, at first we have a integer n, suppose n. This is the value of the length of a string. Suppose we have the value n is 5, right? Okay, so we have to scan a string whose length is 5. Here we take a string s and whose length is 5. Okay, now according to the question, the character of the string is 1 or 0. So let's take a string 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so every character of a string indicates year of a lifetime. So 1 means the year is good, 0 means the year is bad. So the first year is good, the second year is bad, and after that the third year is good, the fourth year is bad, and the fifth year is good. So if the good year is equal or greater than the half of the lifetime, then the chief will go to the heaven. What is that means? That means here the amount of the good year is 3, right? Because 3 ones, and the bad year is 2. Okay, what is the 50% of the life here? If we divided 5 by 2, then we get 2, right? And if we take it as a double number, we can find 2.5, right? So 2 is not the half time. Okay, 2.5 is the half time. So in this case we take 3, and if the length is even, we can easily find the half time by divided by 2. Okay, I hope you guys get the point. Here the half lifetime is 3 and the good year is also 3, so it is equal, right? So in this case the thief will go to the heaven. Okay, now I'm taking an example from the given example. So at first I take this year. Now here is another important thing. Stranger can use his special power to make thief and his life earlier than the planned by God, and then he can choose some L dot and make him alive for the L dot years. Stranger wants thief to success, so if there is any choice of L dot that allow to thief go to the heaven, he will do so. What is that means? That means suppose here I have a string 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, what is the 50% of this life? 4 by 2 is 2, right? But here is only one good year, so the amount of the good year is 1. So the thief there doesn't go to the heaven. But according to this part, the strange deletes some year from his life and make him go to the heaven. But how? If we delete this year from his life and this year from his life, the total year of his life is 2 only. Okay, and now what is the half time here? 2 divided by 2 1, right? And what is the good year? 1. So this is basically equal to 1. So the chef can go to the heaven. So that is why here you can see the answer is yes, but here the answer is no. Why? Now we take 0 0 1, right? So what is the half time here? The length of the life is 3, so we increase 1, right? Divided by 2 and we found 2. So we have to find at least 2 good year so that the chef will go to the heaven. But here is only 1 here. But and now the main case is here. Stranger can delete only for the right side, because he cannot delete from the left, because this is the start. So if he delete from here, he erases birth. The answer is 0. So he cannot find that here 2 good years here. So that is why here is the answer is no. So I hope you guys get the point.